Welcome to Isocrates.App channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
Welcome to the video lecture. Question: what are the uses of simple microscope? The answer: simple microscopes are used by watch repairers and jewelers. They are used to read small-sized letters clearly. They are used to observe parts of flowers, insects, and etc. They are used to observe fingerprints in the field of forensic science. Simple microscopes are the instruments that allow us to clearly observe the smaller or microscopical world or objects. So, at any places where you want to observe anything that is in the microscopical level or has a microscopic dimension, you can use simple microscopes. Thank you.